In other breaking news, Ravi Shastri will now keep interim charge of the Indian cricket team for the tour of Bangladesh. A full-time coach will be appointed by the three-member Cricket Advisory Committee before the next tour. The support staff of Sanjay Bangar, Bharat Arun and MV Sridhar will remain the support staff for the entire tour of Bangladesh. Harini is now joining me from the news pit. Harini, that seems to be a big development now because there were questions raised about the role of Ravi Shastri after the appointment of three cricketing legends. What do you make of this? What is the latest that we have?
Well, what we're given to understand, in fact, the BCCI is expected to make an official announcement little later in the day, but we Times Now can confirm that former India captain Ravi Shastri will travel with the team for the Bangladesh tour. He has been appointed as interim coach. Along with him, of course, the same support staff that travelled with the Indian team during the World Cup. Bharat Arun, who is the who's the bowling coach, M. Sridhar, who is the fielding coach, and Sanjay Bangar, who is the batting coach, will be travelling with the team for the Bangladesh tour. What we're given to understand is that this is an interim arrangement that has been made by the BCCI. Atul Vasan joins us on the phone line. Atul, after the Legends panel, now we have the interim coaches that have been announced. This is only for stopgap arrangement for the Bangladesh tour.
Yeah, well, I can only welcome it, but on the other hand, it's getting a bit cluttered on the top, which might not be the ideal situation for a team like India, where they're already big names and people who have actually performed over the years. So I think there has to be clear demarcated lines of what is expected of each of the legends in the mix now as an advisory committee, and there should be, I think, responsibilities and total deliverables given to each of the stakeholders.